That's right.
What's going on, everybody? Skyler here with N.E.W Coatings. We're out on Shawano Lake today. We're working for a customer. His name is Jeff. He had somebody come a few years back and put an old epoxy coating in here. It's already failing on him. The guys are in the garage right now cutting it off. We're gonna put down a POLYUREA polyaspartic floor for him. We're gonna add a little bit of orange flake in there. His whole garage is set up for Harleys, and he's got a really cool car over there that's gonna be going in there. So we're gonna get it off, and we're gonna give him a floor that's gonna last forever. Let's go check it out. I just peeled away a little area right here. You can kind of see it's very brittle and it breaks, snaps really easy, which POLYUREA and polyaspartic is a lot more flexible there. Not a scratch in it. What we're looking for, you know, you'll see after the guys here remove this coating, we'll reprofile the coating with 30-40 grit diamonds. So we'll take the coating off with this, and then we'll profile the concrete to take the POLYUREA coating with a double button 30 grit diamond. We'd really like to get this floor shaped up for him and make sure he has a lasting floor that he can enjoy, you know, for many years to come. So we've got the old coating cut off, we've got the concrete reprofiled, tried to find some scratches there for you to see how it should look. Frank and Ralph are going to be mixing up the POLYUREA base coat right now. We're going to put that down and we're going to cover it with the flake. Then we'll give it an hour and a half to set up. We'll come back, scrape that flake, and we'll start the polyaspartic top coat after that. By 3 o'clock, Jeff's going to have a brand new, nice looking floor that'll last him a lifetime. It's going to be good.